Hi, today you are going to do measuring fun with measuring space objects, pictures of things in space. You will need this recording sheet and your baggie with your space objects. Remember, put your name at the top of your paper. So I'm going to pull out my first card. I am going to measure using my ruler that you need in inches. So when I look, I see two blue lines on here. So that's the end of the star from the tip to the other tip. Now this is not exactly 2 inches because it goes past the 2. So when it goes past, we are going to go to the next number. And I am going to write 3 inches. I am going to find on my recording sheet the star because that is what I was measuring. Measure it again just to be sure. Make sure I line up my end of my ruler, which is the 0. Make sure you don't do this starting at the 1. Otherwise, you're saying this is all part of the star. So I'm going to line up the end of my ruler, the 0 with the end tip of my star, and go across till I get to the other point of my star. It's more than 2, so to be sure we'd have enough, we will say round it up to 3. So on my recording sheet next to the star, I'm going to write 3 inches. You are going to then measure the Earth from the blue line to the blue line, so one side to the other. You're going to measure how tall the spaceship is from the blue line to the top of the antenna of the blue line. The rocket ship, the moon, the alien, and of course the astronaut, and the meteor from one end to the other. If you're not sure which way to measure, look for the 2 blue lines. Those are your starting and end points. When you have finished recording and write down how many inches for each, you will turn in your paper. Make sure your name's on it. Have fun with this out of the world measuring station.